Unlocking the meaning of nail something down. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, nail something down. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal settings, but what does it actually mean? Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, you're in the right place. Let's nail down the essence of this phrase together. Before we explore the figurative usage, it's important to understand the literal meaning of the words. To nail refers to the action of attaching or securing something with nails, which are small, sharp metal pins commonly used in construction and carpentry. The word down, in this context, suggests a direction or position, indicating that something is being fixed firmly in place. Combining these, the literal interpretation of nailing something down involves physically securing something so it doesn't move. Moving beyond the literal, nail something down, is often used metaphorically in everyday English. This idiomatic expression can mean 1. To finalize or confirm something. For example, when you're making plans or arrangements, and you want to confirm the details firmly, you might say, "Let's nail down the time and place for our meeting." 2. To understand or define something clearly. In scenarios where there's a complex idea or a problem, getting to a clear, precise understanding might be described as nailing it down. For instance, after hours of discussion, we finally nailed down the cause of the issue. To see how this phrase can be used in different contexts, let's look at a few examples. In a business meeting, we need to nail down the final details of the contract before proceeding. While planning a trip, have you nailed down your itinerary for your vacation yet? In a classroom setting, by the end of the lecture, I want everyone to have nailed down the key concepts of today's topic. These examples showcase the versatility of the phrase, whether it's securing plans, understanding concepts, or finalizing agreements. While using nail something down, it's crucial to apply it in the correct context. Avoid using it in situations where there's no implication of securing, finalizing, or understanding something. Remember, its use is more abstract and figurative than literal in most conversational and written scenarios. And there you have it, folks. We've successfully nailed down the meaning and usage of nail something down. This phrase is a great tool to add to your English language toolkit, offering a vivid way to express the act of finalizing or understanding something deeply. We hope this video helps you use it confidently in your conversations and writings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. See you in the next video, and keep nailing your language goals.